Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 3. Seating a king on the throne of Delhi. O munificent God! On the 15th of the month Bahari, the year Shah 1215 from the birth of Muhammad, on Monday when 5 watches of the day remained, I had a dream. It seemed as if I had alighted in the vicinity of Delhi, and Scindia, the Marhatta chief, had along with his army similarly encamped quite close to us. A fine officer of the Delhi army was nearby. Giving him my word, I ordered him to come to me. The above-mentioned officer and Qutbuddin sat in front of me and a rosary lay before them. I asked the officer mentioned above to take an oath on the rosary which symbolizes God's word, after which I promised I would tell him something. The officer thereupon took the oath on the rosary. Then I said to him, You along with your men and Qutbuddin Khan along with the men of our own army should both encamp in front of the unbelievers and, if God wills, I shall be going to Delhi to make arrangements for its administration and seat a king on the throne, since this will give strength to Islam. Once I have done that, I shall be able to punish the unbelievers thoroughly. While this conversation was still in progress, I woke up and wrote down the contents of the dream immediately. This is all. End of Dream 3.